Thanks for visiting www.luscombemotors.co.uk, and we're proud to present this lovely Suzuki Swift SZ5, finished off this speedy blue with a silky silver roof. Car's in fantastic condition. We'll check the bodywork, everything's okay with it. It comes with daytime running lights, which are LED. You've got LED headlights, and then you've got spotlights at the bottom. All alloy wheels are in great condition as well, and it's all to the two-tone. Tyre treads will all be checked with the technicians, and all be with a minimum of 3mm tread on it. With it being an SZ5, you've got the keyless entry, and you've also got a reversing camera on this one as well. It is a mild hybrid, so it'll save you some money as well, both on the road tax and also on your emissions and your fuel economy. Inside the boot, for a small car, you've got a fantastic size of boot, and the same with the back seats as well. You've got a decent size of room in the back seats as well for you. SZ5 is 4 seats all round, so you get your 4 electric window buttons there, so you can control them all from the driver's side. You've got your button here that brings in the electric mirrors, and you've got your button to toggle the difference in the mirrors as well for you. Down the bottom is where your fuel flap for is, and then you've got your stop start button, multi-function steering wheel, auto lights, you've got your Bluetooth, also comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. On your screen at the moment it's showing the hybrid system, but you can toggle through. Shows you miles per gallon, how much range you've got, miles per gallon in the last 15 minutes, average miles per hour, total stop time idling, a clock, your front motion system, your torque and your power, what you accelerate, so you put your foot in the brake, I'll start producing the graph for that for you, and the same with the accelerator. As you accelerate, it will go up and down and up, and then back to the hybrid system. On the screen itself, is all touch screen, very intuitive. So you just press the button, choose what channels you want to listen to, and then tune it in. Little house always takes you back to the beginning. So that's for your Bluetooth, that's for your smartphone link, and then you've got the sat nav installed in the car as well. So that's all there for you. Climate control, that's your fan speeds, that's your temperature, and then you've got your usual refresh, recycle. You've got your mode to take you in and out, and underneath you've got your 12 volt socket and your USB socket. The car's in fantastic condition. It's a lovely little car, has a full service history on it, but we will do a fresh service on the car. Also put a fresh MOT with no advices on it, and we'll also give you a 12-month warranty with top level AA cover on that as well. The car is also subject to service activated warranty, which basically means if you can bring your car back to the Suzuki garage for servicing, we'll add another year's warranty on that up to the age of 7 years old. Thanks very much for taking time to look at the video. If you do have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My name's Graham, and it's 0113 271 2288. I'm in the Suzuki dealership, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks again.